Hey there, and welcome to Target Destroyers, your go-to channel for all things business, finance, and entrepreneurship. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 3 highest paid jobs you can do from the comfort of your own home. So if you're looking for a way to make some serious money without leaving your house, then keep watching. First up, we have software developer. With the rise of technology, the demand for software developers has increased significantly, and the best part is that most of these jobs can be done remotely. As a software developer, you'll be responsible for designing, testing, and maintaining software programs, and you can make a median salary of around $110,000 per year. Next, we have bloggers. If you have a passion for writing and a niche topic that you love to write about, then becoming a blogger could be a great option for you. As a blogger, you'll create content for your website or social media platforms on a regular basis, and you can make a median salary of around $62,000 per year. And finally, we have virtual assistants. As a virtual assistant, you can work from anywhere in the world and provide administrative support to clients online. This is a great option for those who are organized and have strong communication skills. Virtual assistants can make a median salary of around $40,000 per year. So there you have it, the top 3 highest paid jobs you can do from home. Whether you're interested in software development, blogging, or becoming a virtual assistant, there are plenty of opportunities to make a great living from the comfort of your own home. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great content from Target Destroyers.